JCB is one of the world's largest privately owned manufacturers of construction, agricultural, and defense equipment, manufacturing over 300 products, including machines for the U.S. military. JCB is currently building our second manufacturing facility in San Antonio, Texas. The JCB 3CX Compact offers all the benefits of a regular-sized backhoe on a smaller scale. With a 25-mile-per-hour road speed, side-shift excavator, small footprint, and an incredibly tight turning circle, the machine can access and perform in the most confined of spaces. At 35% smaller than a conventional backhoe, the 3CX still offers the power and performance of a larger machine. It also features a tight turning radius, 2 steering modes, and a skid steer coupler, allowing it to use almost any skid steer attachment. The cab provides excellent all-around visibility, increasing safety on the job site. The 74-horsepower engine requires no after-treatment and can power high or low-flow attachments with flow rates of up to 32 gallons per minute. In addition, a handheld tool circuit increases productivity by providing a power source for a range of handheld tools. Legendary JCB build quality comes standard. JCB offers LiveLink telematics, ensuring increased uptime. Shop online or visit one of our over 300 dealer locations across North America.